Big names like Joe Rudy, Salvando, and Eric Chavez, all well known to A's fans. But another that you may not recognize, Keith Lippman, led the A's player development for over 50 years. He will be inducted. Former A's skipper Bob Melvin says Lippman was the most influential guy in A's history when it came to developing players. Lippman himself telling A's Cast it's a job that seemed to suit his personality.
It's all about what can I do for you, how can I help. I found a niche where by that work, I could help staff, I could help players through my own experience. That meant more than anything to me. So I'm just grateful that I've been able to find meaning and purpose within what I did.
When he played in the minor leagues, he also managed for the A's minor league system and was a season ticket holder for the A's back when they still played in Kansas City. Lippman says it was just amazing to find a job that was all about serving others' dreams.
The greatest successes in life are often found in helping others succeed. And the most lasting and fulfilling achievements are often earned, helping others fulfill theirs. That was kind of a very interesting quote, but it came down to really how I think I am and how I've operated all these years.
Well, the A's also announced yesterday broadcaster Ray Fosse with the Monty Moore Award for Broadcasting Excellence. Moore will be on hand to present the award to Ray's wife, Carol. Will also receive a Ray Fosse patch as a giveaway. A's and Giants will open that to be Carlos Rodon taking on Adam Aller. From the Sports Desk, Joe Hughes, KCBS.
Thank you, Joe. The KCBS Sports Desk is sponsored by the Bay Area Chevy Dealers. Visit BayAreaChevroletDealers.com.
Kansas City Steak Company, another AmericanEagle.com success story. Started in 1932 as a family-owned butcher shop, today they're a leading distributor of superior all-American steaks delivered right to your door, ready for the grill and your taste buds. When it came to the site wouldn't do, they chose AmericanEagle.com to take their website to the next level. With a tremendous competition and a softening market demand, they had two challenges: improve their brand presence and message and produce a positive return. AmericanEagle.com got to work and executed usability studies and detailed audits of site experience, digital assets, and marketing. The result, an integrated digital marketing and customer experience plan, organic traffic increase 3%, and a long-term roadmap for success. If you love great steaks, go to KansasCitySteaks.com. Our website design, development, and online solutions that bring efficiency and results. Visit AmericanEagle.com. If you need a results-driven website, call the team at AmericanEagle.com at 877-WebNow1. That's 877-WebNow1.
Prime members, save on Crowd favorite shrimp for your cookout at Whole Foods Market. Get raw, cooked, or breaded shrimp for 25% off through August 7th while supplies last. Shop in-store or online at Amazon.com/Whole Foods. Terms apply.
KCBS News Time, 7:48. The 6-day forecast is coming up, but let's get an update on the roads first with Kim. She's taking us back to the Bay Bridge. Yep, it's looking okay at the Bay Bridge Toll Plaza as you make your way into San Francisco. There was a report of a possible stalled vehicle near the tolls from one of the KCBS phone enforcers, but metering lights remain on. Short backup at the toll plaza. This report is brought to you by Cars for Kids. We do see slow traffic as you enter the tunnel at Yerba Buena Island. There was word of a stall on the lower deck of the Bay Bridge near the island, but I don't see any slow traffic, and it looks like they have since filed that information, so it looks like a clear scene as you head out of San Francisco. Certainly, you're at the speed limit all the way to the Oakland side. 80 still trying to recover.